Hey everybody, we're wrapping up week 2 already, so I just wanted to make a non-math tutorial video and check in with you all and say hi. I hope you're doing well. It's been really great to get a chance to meet and see some of you in our optional virtual meetings that have been happening each day, Monday through Thursday. So if you haven't joined and want to connect that way, please do so. I'd love to chat with you and of course do some math as well. I'm on our Canvas homepage just to make sure we're kind of all using Canvas in a similar way. I know there are a lot of resources here, so it can be a little hard to navigate. So kind of my go-to, if I were you, would just be to click on each daily announcement. So every day I've been posting specific to-dos in case you're kind of like me and like a checklist. So most of us are probably right around day 8 right now. So let's just check in there and see. So every day that we're in a unit, right, we have a review of the exit slip from the day before. I offer you a little bit of feedback in the gradebook, but then you can always check out the key here. And then a couple new videos based on the topic for the day. So day 8, we're talking a lot about zeros and then also division of polynomials. And then one thing I wanted to make sure we also saw is you have a daily exit slip, which I think we're all tracking with pretty well. And then every day, based on what we cover, there are certain problems of the homework that would be great to do, just so that it doesn't all fall till the day that it's due. Otherwise, it feels kind of hard and long. And then depending upon the day, there are quizzes every couple days. So hopefully that daily to-do list is working well, but feel free to let me know what's working well or what's not working well. So that's there for you. I know you guys have busy schedules. Some of you are, working a lot. So if you need to, you can watch the videos at a faster speed. That's one nice thing about YouTube. And then also just for perspective, if we were in person, as much as I wish we could have been in person, we would have had a 3-hour class. So I know the videos I'm posting don't sum to 3 hours each day. So that gives you a little bit of time to process, take some notes, and of course, work on your exit slips and homework. So if you're struggling to navigate Canvas, again, the daily announcements would be what I recommend most. And then the nice thing is they should mark as you read them. So some of you are working a little bit ahead. I'm posting just a day or two ahead, so it's not too overwhelming, but just click on them based on what day you're on and complete those tasks. So I hope that's working well. You can always see under syllabus, of course, the specific assignment for that day. So that's working decent. And then those who do want to work ahead, modules is perhaps the best place for you to go. So we're in Unit 2. You can expand this and see all the assessments in this unit as well as the whole playlist so that you don't have to wait for me to post each day. So just a couple ideas and things I thought I could share with you all about how our course is running. But reach out anytime. I love to hear any feedback or ideas or just to say hi. That's cool too. On our homepage, of course, you saw I posted a big old calendar with everything we're doing, which is kind of crazy. We do it all in 5 weeks. Here's the link to join our virtual classroom. I've been there this whole week, Monday through Thursday, 3:45 to 5:15. Next week, I might float a couple other ideas, but again, stop through if you can. I think some of you might not have been aware that was happening, so I just wanted to make sure you knew. And yeah, I'll just wrap up. Look at me. I said I wasn't going to do a math video, and now I'm doing one quick math thing. I'll just leave you with this idea, right? We're studying polynomials in this unit. We're talking about zeros and that kind of thing. So I just thought I would graph one with you guys and talk about a couple things, and then we'll get out of here. So Desmos is great to use on a computer, on your phone. It's a really nice app. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. So pretty much what we're focused on in this unit are the zeros. And another way of saying zeros is where does the graph cross the x-axis? That's really what the zeros of a polynomial function are. So we've been studying things such as the degree of the polynomial, the end behavior of the polynomial, and then more recently we're focused on these zeros. Zeros have what we call multiplicities, which really just tell us whether at that zero does the function cross the x-axis or does it bounce? So here you see when we go through this zero, it crosses through the that tells me it must be an odd multiplicity. Similarly, over here at x equals 4, we have an odd multiplicity. But at x equals 1, because it bounces, that must be an even multiplicity. So even without being able to see the equation I typed in, we can say the zeros are x equals -2, x equals 1, x equals 4. The multiplicity of x equals -2 is odd, at least I could say that much. The multiplicity of x equals 1, I could say, is even, it bounces. And the multiplicity of x equals 4 must be odd because it cuts through. So those are some of the things that we're talking about, and I hope it's going well. I look forward to hearing more from you guys and hopefully seeing some more of you all soon. Have a great weekend.